Sometimes you're gonna write and rewrite things for like hours and hours. And then you're gonna get to shooting the video and you're gonna shoot for like 4 or 5 hours worth of video. And then you're editing together. It usually takes like, I don't know, 8 to 10 hours to edit something decent together. Other times you're just gonna, come up with the dumbest idea possible and turn the camera on, roll footage and hope that it's not super, super sucky.
Of the universe inside of me.